Okay, chapter 11, question 86. So there are three minerals. So these three minerals are mixture of different carbonates. We have barytoxite, we have dolomite, and huntite. They are saying that these minerals can be used as fire retardants because they decompose in the heat, producing CO2. Okay, CO2 does not help in combustion, right? So it will put out the fire. So they're asking which one can be the best fire retardant out of these three minerals, and then which one is the worst. So the best one, of course, is the one that can produce more CO2. And the worst will be the one that produce least CO2. We look at um, the minerals. There are a few carbonates. We have barium carbonate, we have calcium carbonate, we have magnesium carbonate. Now, thermal stability of carbonates increases going down the group. Okay, so magnesium carbonate is the easiest to decompose on heating. Carbonate. Calcium carbonate, slightly more stable, less easily to be decomposed. The hardest is barium carbonate here. So that means if the mineral is a mixture of magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate, that will be a better fire retardant. The one with barium carbonate, because harder to decompose, will produce less carbon dioxide. That one will be a weaker fire retardant. So look at these three minerals. Only barytoxite contains barium carbonate. The other two is a mixture of calcium and magnesium carbonate. So barytoxite is the worst fire retardant among these three. So look at the worst. Barytoxite. Okay. So B and D are the possible answers. Now let's look at dolomite and huntite. So we look at dolomite is calcium, magnesium. Then you see there's two CO3. So that means it is a mixture, okay, of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Okay, so they combine this one and they write the formula like this. But it's actually calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. One calcium carbonate, one magnesium carbonate. Now look at huntite. We have 3 Mg, 1 Ca, and then 4 CO3. So that means there are 3 magnesium carbonate here. Okay? And then we have 1 calcium carbonate. So we see which one is can produce more carbon dioxide. Magnesium easier to decompose, will produce more carbon dioxide than calcium carbonate. So you see which one contains more magnesium carbonate. Huntite, okay, contain more magnesium carbonate, will produce more CO2. So huntite should be the best fire retardant. So we look at B and D. The best huntite is the best here. So answer is D, not B.